The Ashfly 1000X Kids Microscope features a 2-inch high-definition viewing screen that enhances the exploration experience with vibrant colors and clear imagery. With its 3-level adjustable LED light, young scientists can enjoy optimal observation in any lighting condition, encouraging their innate curiosity. This digital microscope boasts a large storage capacity, enabling children to save up to 400 photos of their discoveries without the need for additional storage cards. The portable mini microscope is designed for convenience with a detachable screen and a 50-centimeter lanyard, making it easy for kids to carry and use wherever their scientific adventures take them. Specifically crafted to suit small hands, the Ashfly microscope is lightweight and user-friendly, making it an ideal tool for young explorers eager to delve into the world of science. Perfect as a gift for children aged 3 to 12, this microscope blends fun and learning, sparking a lifelong passion for science and discovery in young minds.